What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Today we're out here at Fort Myers Beach, Florida, where it got literally decimated by Hurricane Ian about a year and a half ago, maybe 2 years. I wasn't quite sure. I was in California. Yeah, we on the Lowrider today. I told you guys I was getting back into the content creation. I just had to get the bike ready for it because I threw the exhaust on and I had to wait for the tune. But let's go check some things out. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. We also live on Instagram during the creation of this video, so if you watch it, follow me on Instagram. Post some pretty dope photos. Before I started creating videos, motovlogging specifically, I picked up photography and I really got into it. So I'm really trying to figure out how to get my mic on the GoPro to start working on the live. Damn, it sounds so good though. This new exhaust, boys. Now getting out of here is definitely gonna be a bitch, but we'll do it. I might just fucking send it right fucking here, huh? Yep, nope. Street signs are just a suggestion. Oh no, for real, guys, be safe out there, you know what I mean? But fuck it, we got a bike, dude. If we can fit, we can fit. But yeah, man, Fort Myers, Florida, specifically the beaches, man, it got fucking demolished. I didn't see it directly after. I saw drone footage and just all of my friends and stuff out here, but it has come a long way from what I see. A lot of people out on bikes today. That's good to see. Oh, I gotta turn off the shake to report a problem thing. Whatever. I fucking hate that, dude. You know, when I use notes all the time on my phone. If you shake the fucker, dude, it like wants to delete everything. I'm like, whoa. You know, some of these things are important. I don't need you to be deleting them because I accidentally shook my phone. We're getting close to the minimum requirements on YouTube so I can monetize, and we are just going to continue to build the channel, build the content. We're going to get sport bikes, guys. I'm going drifting tomorrow. Like, this channel is really starting to get established and we're starting to make things, so I really appreciate you guys continuously checking out what I got going on. So that's pretty sick. But yeah, about tomorrow, if you're watching this video, odds are I already went to the event, right? It's a private event. My buddy, he's big into drifting. The dude builds his own cars. Like, he's really in depth into the hobby of drifting, right? And he's like, hey man, you want to go? And I'm like, of course I want to go. Who doesn't want to go drifting, son? It's gonna be my first video. It's gonna be like a day-long vlog of just pure drifting, son. And tell me that ain't gonna be fucking sick. I'm bringing my camera, my gimbal. Like, I'm going all out. I got another GoPro, charged all the batteries. It's gonna be sick. So definitely be on the lookout for that video. And I want your criticism. I want you to tell me, what could I do better? What would you like to see more of on this channel, right? So if you guys really enjoy this upcoming drifting event, well, I'll fucking go to every single one of them for you guys, man. It's gonna be legit. I don't know how to drift. I don't, but you could bet your ass I'm gonna learn. What the fuck is going on here, boys? But I mean, Jesus, you know, we got the Camaro. I don't know if it'd be kind of smart to drift that, but you know, might have to accidentally swing the back end every once in a while, you know what I mean? So be on the lookout. Like I said, hit subscribe and put the notification bell on for me. It's free, doesn't cost a thing, and it just helps me out so much, and I really appreciate it. But hey, today's all about the bike. You know, when I got it dyno tuned, you would be surprised with the 2-to-1 And the stock air cleaner on these 117s apparently are decent. You know, you don't need to go out and spend $500 on an air cleaner. So I chose not to, just because he's like, you're not really going to see much of a difference. Now the 114s, absolutely, they're super restrictive, but these are decent. But with the tune, I will admit, you don't pull out much more power. I think I gained 3 horsepower. I have the chart. I'll put it on the video now. But yeah, guys, I think it was 2 or 3 horsepower gained, which doesn't seem like a lot, but I will tell you, the torque the curves are dramatically different. I pull so hard through the entire RPM ranges now. Before at 3,500 it'd die off. Nah, bro. This bitch moves at the higher RPMs. I mean, it just consistently pulls. You have the whole RPM range now. You just don't pull out bigger numbers. Then that's the only difference. You know what I mean? It's just the drivability changes immensely, if that's the right word to use. I try not to be so boring with the so much better, it's gooder, you know? Nah, fuck that. Well, I try to use more in-depth words, but hey, it's such a nice day out here in Florida right now, though. I think it's like 75. The sun's a little warm, but the air is great, so no complaints. Hell, I'm even fucking short sleeving it right now, or wearing shorts. Damn, I'm all over the place today. Like, when you give this bike throttle now, it's giving you throttle, and that's all due to the tune. You know, this throttle was hands down extremely lazy, you know, and that's just the stock tune. That's with everything, right? And I'm tired of fucking talking about that, but you get the point. But now it's used to be a Chihuahua, now it's a fucking pit bull, son. I need some new people to ride with too, man. None of my friends down here ride. So if you in the Southwest Florida region, hit your boy up. Oh, yeah, that bridge. You know I gotta give her a little something. But anyway, next video, we're definitely gonna have to go to downtown Fort Myers, more or less at night, and kind of see what kind of hooligans are out there. Maybe find some interesting characters, to say the least. Oh yeah, we're giving it a woo! Hell yeah, brother. You know that sounded good. And it pulls, like I said, dude. It pulls. Next bike though, boys, we're keeping this. We're always gonna keep this. This is the OG Zizzy Moto motorcycle, dude. Cannot ever get rid of this. This is gonna be a time capsule, a relic. This thing's gonna be worth money one day. We're gonna blow up. But the next bike, S1000 R1 ZX10. Okay, we got Santa Claus, Mrs. Claus, I should say. Excuse me. Let me come through. I like to see the local markets. Oh, we got Santa. I love this thing though, guys. If you guys are looking at getting the Lowrider S, I've owned it for a year now. It's crazy. It's been a year. I know. But, you know, I built it to where it is now over the period of a year, and I just love I've loved the whole process so far, right? Because I didn't like the look of this bike stock, right? The second I put that seat on, this Saddleman seat, it really motivated me to get this bike to where I want it, right? And some things cost a lot of money, and I had to save, and it's given me that drive to work hard, save money, and really make something that's mine. You know what I mean? Not just, this is my lowrider. Like, this is Zizzy Moto's lowrider. But anyway, guys, we're at Dunkin' now. I appreciate you guys watching my video. be on the lookout for that drifting video. I really want to hear what you guys have to say. Definitely leave it in the comments or message me on Instagram, whatever you got to do. And yeah, let's do one more walk around, shall we? I love these. I'm gonna do a little bit more gold on this bike. I really think it brings out the neutral colors, you know, just a little bit of contrast is cool. But there's a stealth pipe one more time, boys. And all right, I'll see you on the next one.